Now see, these are all Indians standing here, and the only people who are allowed to go in are Ukrainians. We are all Indians standing here. We came right from that place. They told us to go to the first bookie, and now they are not letting us in.
Please help us.
Шановні пасажири, продовжується поставка налічний швидкий
Fuck yourself. Go. Motherfuckers.
All Indians are still standing here. We were standing at the first, and now they are only allowing Ukrainians to go on our seats.
All Indians are stuck here. I don't know what to do.
And India is giving us advisory to go to railway stations. We tried to change 3 trains, and they are doing it same everywhere. They pushed us all back. We were standing in the front.
Not even a single train.